Today, we're going to learn a very common English expression, have your head in the clouds. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, when to use it, and how to use it in real-life conversations. Let's jump right in and start with a simple question.
If someone says, "You have your head in the clouds," do they mean your head is really in the sky? No, not at all. This is an idiom. That means the words don't have a literal meaning. Instead, they have a special meaning. When we say someone has their head in the clouds, we mean they're not paying attention to what is happening around them. They're thinking about something else often, something imaginary, like dreams, ideas, or plans. So this expression is about your mind, not your head. Imagine this. You are walking in a park. It's a nice day. The sun is out. People are walking around you, but you are not really looking at anything. You are thinking about your future. Maybe you're thinking about starting a new life in another country. Maybe you're imagining a new job or a big goal. You're so focused on your thoughts. You almost walk into another person. That's a perfect moment for someone to say, "You have your head in the clouds." Imagine someone at work. They're sitting at their desk, but they are not really working. They're thinking about something else. Maybe a vacation, maybe a new idea, maybe something exciting in their life. Their boss calls their name once. No answer. Finally, the boss says, "Hey, you've got your head in the clouds today." That means the person is not focused on their work. Here's one more example. Imagine two friends having a conversation. One friend is talking about something important, but the other friend is not really listening. They are quiet. They are looking off into the distance. Their mind is somewhere else. After a moment, the first friend says, "Are you listening? You have your head in the clouds. That means you're not paying attention to me." This expression is not always negative. Sometimes it can be a small problem like not focusing in class, but sometimes it can be something positive. People who dream a lot, people who think about big ideas, they can also have their head in the clouds. So depending on the situation, it can mean you were distracted or you were dreaming. Let's try one more example. Imagine your friend is always talking about big ideas. They want to start a business. They want to travel the world. They have many ideas for the world. You might say, "He has his head in the clouds." If someone is focused, paying attention, and aware of what is happening around them, we do not use this expression. But if someone is distracted, daydreaming, or lost in their thoughts, then this expression is perfect. So here's the idea to remember. If your mind is somewhere else, your head is in the clouds. Now, think about your own life. Have you ever been in a situation where you were not paying attention? Maybe you were thinking about something exciting and forgot what was happening around you. That's a moment when you had your head in the clouds.
That's all for today's idiom lesson. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more English content.